So while we are bringing our attention back to the present, we are also trying to be open to the present. Equanimity means being neutral, being stable, not getting caught up into I want this, I don't want that. When we bring our attention to the present may be something we like or we don't like. Often our mind gets into judging the present. Oh, I don't like it here. I don't like what's happening now. I wish it was different. This is a habitual tendency of the mind. And this habitual tendency of the mind is always pushing us to judge the situation and want to fix the situation. So while we are bringing our attention back to the present, we are also trying to be open to the present. We are opening to the experience of the present, not judging it as good or bad. So we are refraining from that. Also, what follows from judgment is the fourth pillar, which is the pillar of equanimity. Now, equanimity, you can also call it non-reactivity. Equanimity means being neutral, being stable, not getting caught up into I want this, I don't want that. Now, when the mind says this is not nice, our system is I don't want this, I want this to change. When the mind says, oh, that is very nice, then the system is, oh, I want that. And the final pillar, the fifth one, is the pillar of compassion, and perhaps it is one of the most important ones, because compassion gives a kind of a blanket to the entire practice. Often what happens is when we start practicing, we start feeling, oh, I've been judgmental here, oh, so much judgment comes up in my mind, or I'm such a reactive person, or I'm being so angry. When we are not doing these practices of awareness, we don't notice that we are judgmental, we are reactive, we've been this way. But when we start noticing, then we start to see, oh my God, I've been so judgmental, I'm being so reactive, this is a problem. So compassion is a pillar that says, hey, it's okay. You're wired this way, we are all wired this way, this is a human condition. You don't have to take this so seriously. As long as you're watching, recognizing, accepting, and trying. You were judgmental now, okay, that moment is gone. Next moment, you have an opportunity to practice non-judgment again.